Virtual corporate counsel versus on-site legal teams. Which one is better for international business compliance? Most companies assume that having an on-site legal team is the only way to manage international compliance. The surprising truth is that virtual corporate counsel can be just as effective, often faster, and more cost-efficient. Virtual corporate counsel operates remotely, leveraging cloud-based tools, secure communication channels, and global networks. This allows businesses to access specialized legal expertise in multiple jurisdictions without maintaining local offices. For instance, a company expanding into 3 countries simultaneously can engage virtual counsel with expertise in each region, ensuring compliance with labor laws, tax regulations, and data privacy requirements. Virtual counsel offers flexibility, scalable resources, and often lower overhead costs compared to traditional in-house teams. On-site legal teams are physically present within the company, providing immediate access, corporate knowledge, and integration with internal departments. They excel in day-to-day operational guidance, handling sensitive negotiations, and embedding legal strategy into company culture. However, maintaining teams across multiple countries is expensive, and recruiting specialized talent in every jurisdiction is challenging. The key difference is flexibility and scalability versus physical presence and embedded knowledge. Virtual corporate counsel allows rapid response to regulatory changes and access to global expertise without the cost of multiple offices. On-site teams provide continuity, internal alignment, and direct engagement. Many companies use a hybrid model. Virtual counsel handles jurisdiction-specific compliance, while a lean on-site team coordinates overall strategy and internal processes. The takeaway is simple. International business compliance no longer requires a legal office in every country. The surprising truth is that virtual corporate counsel delivers faster, more agile solutions while maintaining quality and oversight. In a global economy, leveraging virtual legal expertise is not just convenient, it's a competitive advantage.